Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining me. Today we are out at the Oregon Coast Range, and I am really excited that we are going to find a ton of chanterelles. We might find some elephant saddles, some chicken of the woods. We might find some boletes up here, but it is going to be fantastic. So let's get out and have a good, safe hunt. Let's go. I found some chanterelles. Check them out. You guys see them? Got 3 or 4 over there. We got one popping up over here. Got a few that are moldy, but look at this guy here. Look at this guy. Whew. Oh, mama. What a beauty. Well, let's take a look at these other guys here. Put him up there. Look, we got one here. Oh, nice. We got 2 here. And then we got 3 of them popping out right here. How about that? Not bad for a bonehead. We found a few more chanterelles. Check it out, growing in the hills. A lot of the things you want to look for when you see these mounds of trees that are growing up and all the debris growing up around them. If you look in the hills, like right here, look, you can see we've got a nice chanterelle growing here. And look over here. There's a second one. This one might be a little moldy. Just the edge, not bad. But check that out. That is pretty cool. A couple of nice chunkies. Let's see what else we see around here. Oh, check this out. Someone has been here. Look. Somebody cut this and left it. This is perfectly good. Got a few more in here too. Look at this. These are perfect mushrooms. Listen, guys, if you're gonna pick mushrooms and you're gonna pull something out of the ground, know what a good chanterelle is versus one you gotta leave, because these that somebody picked and left here, these are perfectly fine. A little bit of mold, it'll wash right off, just like dirt. Keep them if they're solid. I mean, these are beauties. Come on. So I can tell you that this is pretty much a picture perfect day. We had rain earlier this week. It's going to be sunny today, nice and bright, but you can tell that the ground is moist enough to have chanterelles. Found some pretty nice mature ones so far. And this place is just, I've been hunting this spot for years, and it's like home to me. It's so awesome. And I know all the hills and the trails and everything, and I know where they should be, but they're not always where they should be. They always come in other areas. You know, I heard another group up here hunting, and I decided to say good morning, you know, because there's hunting going on up here. Lots of people are armed like me, and I just want to let other people know that I'm in the area, so they don't get startled and think I'm some kind of a animal and take a random shot. So it's always good to let other people know that you're in the area, and also let them know that you're hunting that spot that they're just coming into. So just kind of nice etiquette. So anyway, let's keep going. Let's go get some shrooms. So we're coming up this ridge here. You guys see what I see? A couple of nice chunky chanterelles. Oh, one nice big cluster. That's a beautiful cluster. Look at that. Perfect size, perfect eating size. So now let's look around some more. And as I mentioned before, you're more likely to find mushrooms looking up a slope than down the slope. And when you find a cluster of mushrooms, get down like I am on your knees, look around, because you're highly likely to see more popping up and fruiting in the same area, because they typically don't fruit all by themselves. So there's a chance there might be some more. So we're going to take our time here. You guys see it right there? Check out this nice little chunky chanterelle. Not bad. Pretty bright. There we go. That's better. Look at that guy. Not bad. So I'm realizing that somebody's been through this area. I've seen lots of tips, lots of cuts, lots of feet marks. So somebody beat me to this spot, but that's okay. It is what it is. This is not a super top secret spot. Those people who know about it know it's a great spot. But anyway, what I've done is I've kind of gone away from all the areas where I've seen footprints and cut marks and whatever, and all of a sudden I'm back in the mushrooms. So check this out. Take a look at this. I got one chanterelle here. I got 3 or 4 over here. I got one over there, and I can see them on the hillside. So we're in a good spot. So this is a good place where I'm coming next week, because a lot of these are small. I'm going to leave them, and I'm doing a little scouting for a group trip next week. So this is going to be a good area to come back to. Finally outside of the hunting area where somebody came through it, and they were pretty thorough. I'll give them credit. They were very thorough, but they left evidence, so I know they were here. So anyway, let's pick a few of these bigger ones and leave the rest to grow. Came back to one of my mark spots on the GPS, and mushrooms. Check them out. Look at these guys in here. We got a couple of small ones hiding under here. We'll leave them. But look at these big dudes back here. We got 2 back here. We got 1 back there. We got 1 over there, and we got 3 or 4 hiding in there. Ooh, oh, I bet. Oh, there's another one there. Usually there's some hiding over here, 2 on this side. I don't see them, but we're gonna check them out. But dang, that's pretty cool. We're gonna take a couple of them and leave the rest for next week. But whoo! We just came up from a very familiar ridge that has been really good to me in the past, and there are a lot of mushrooms in there. A lot of small chanterelles, little buttons. You're just gonna leave them, but they're the chunky, you know, thick, fat mountain morels that I really enjoy. And they're in perfect condition. I could have taken them, but I left them because I'm going to leave them come back next week when they're going to be a lot bigger. Hopefully people don't come and take them between now and then and just take a bag of small mushrooms. There's no glory in that. So if you see a lot of little mushrooms, take a few of the bigger ones, leave the rest of them to grow. Come back in a week or 2, and you will be rewarded greatly with a lot more mushrooms. These things grow really fast and really prolifically. So not only will those be there, but there'll probably be more fruiting next time. So little tip for anybody that wants to find big bags of mushrooms. So I've been hunting this ridge a little bit here, and check it out. I got a couple of nice chanterelles. This one, I don't know what happened to it. I think somebody picked it up, but look, got a nice one right here. This guy, also nice. Little moldy one there. There's another one over there that's small. We're going to leave him. But remember when I told you to check around the bases of these big old growth stumps? Chanterelles love to hide in the duft of these stumps. So another semi-pro tip for you. Don't forget the stumps. Check this out. Booyah. Look at these chunkies right here. There's a really cool one right here. Small one here. Another cluster. Another cluster. Another single. Oh boy. I love these. When these guys start coming up and they get like growths on top of the mushroom, it's almost like a alien type mushroom, but pretty dang cool. I hear another group up here mushroom hunting in my spots, and I'm really debating on whether or not I need to do my Sasquatch call or my bear call or something wild to kind of scare them off, because they're just really loud and chatty, making a lot of noise. So there's definitely no animals here, but it would be fun to get their reactions if they hear the Sasquatch, because it's pretty cool. So we're in a new spot. We moved up to about 1,600 feet. Came across a couple of other mushroom hunters that had nice bags of chanterelles, which is great. So I moved a little away from them because I didn't want to crowd them out, but found a few mushrooms already. Check out, we came to look at this little guy right here. Look at this little button. It's another one hiding under here. We're going to leave those guys, but as I took a look around, I see something else over here. Look at this guy. And this guy. These two are ready to go home. Bam, look at those beauties. Hey, by the way, this little plant here, this is called the wood sorrel. It's edible. It tastes almost like a green grape. Apparently it's really nutritious. You can take it and throw it in a salad. You can eat it raw. It's a nice little trail snack, so we might be picking some of these up as we go, because we're burning lots of calories and sweating, as you can see. So we need a little nourishment. So I just found this beautiful little chunky guy in our new area. And I did my, bend down, look around while I'm here and check this out. Look, it's another one right here. Oh, this one's even better. Oh, that is a chunky mushroom. So check out this old lobster. It's all gooey, pretty decaying. But I'm looking around to see what else might be around here. Check this out. We got 2 more lobsters right here that are nice and firm. Look at that dude. And then we got this guy over here. These are beauties. Look at that. Hello. We've had an awesome hunt today on the Oregon Coast Range. We found chanterelles, we found lobsters, we found a few other interesting edibles, but man, what an awesome day. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe and tell your friends, and I look forward to joining you in the next adventure. Thanks.